ये ओवरऑल हम लोग को 17 साल हो गए ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री में। क्विक टूर हमने कोविड के बाद शुरू की और वी केटर टू एवरीथिंग राइट फ्रॉम कॉर्पोरेट ट्रैवल टू एफआईडी ट्रैवल टू प्रीमियम थिंग।
Once we talk about market, so you guys do more FIT or more groups?
More FIT.
More FIT.
Because we are more into customized.
You are more in customized. And your FIT is like business people or leisure or student group. So what kind of?
It's more of a leisure and business.
And they go to Central Europe, Eastern Europe, or
Yeah, because there are something in Europe. There are different parts.
Yeah.
Like Eastern Europe is beginner starts with Eastern Europe.
Yeah.
But the other people like the other for business purposes they go to Germany and then they cover the countries around.
Okay.
So that's how it goes. Cross with V-Share recently और हमने उनके साथ business किया है. Experience was very good because सबसे बड़ा concern ये रहता है कि because of the time difference,
Of course.
who will respond?
yes.
But number आपका था, but at times Amin used to respond and everything.
Yes.
Across the time there was no issue.
Our experience-
Easily accessible on WhatsApp calls.
Yes.
That was
For
good.
Indian market, we're giving all channels. You can chat us, you can email us, you
Yes.
can call us.
Right.
WhatsApp is good because as it you have Indian number. My number is French number.
Correct.
If you calling from Indian number, sometimes it's not connected, or maybe
Right.
it's expensive to call. Better
Correct.
to chat by WhatsApp. That's a good channel. Itinerary maker also.
Okay.
And by this itinerary maker, you can make your itinerary by yourself. And
Okay.
why we made it, I'll tell you. You know what happened, like in season time, from March till September, we have like 100 queries each day.
Correct.
And if we have a team of 25 people in Mumbai, but as agent
Correct.
asked, sir, reply nahi aaya.
नहीं है.
We are waiting for reply. It's been 2 days. It's been 3 days. And that's happening every time.
True.
Because demand came same time, and then
Correct.
they need itinerary. We got it. They need itinerary for visa purpose.
True.
First, once visa confirmed, then they confirm the query, right?
True.
So for that, we made an itinerary maker. Now you can make itinerary in 30 seconds. So the advantage is that you don't need to contact me. For visa purpose, you can make it by yourself. Once it's confirmed, you can refresh it. We can discuss and we can confirm. And all inventory is live inventory.
Okay.
You get the same price, net price without our commission. You get the B2B rates through our system. Now we have 1.5 million listings in 37 countries in Europe and Asia. And you can mix match, like you can make 3 days in Paris, 2 days in Zurich, 3 days in Rome.
Yes.
You can design by yourself. It's a customized itinerary.
Sure.
And it takes just 30 seconds.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming. Thank you.